would you like to use for mobile?
No.
What can I get for you?
I like a steak, egg, and cheese bagel minus that folded egg.
You don't want the folded?
There's the turtle freaking insulation off.
Look what?
Then we get our sucker.
What is it?
I can fit. Reptilia. No. Yeah.
Make me tummy happy. Your steak bagel. Hold on a second. Feeling it. Yeah.
Look out. Exit. I missed that little bit. Okay.
And then after this white.
You gotta wipe it off, that's all. Instead of being like starflake, snowflakey, it turns, when they come out of here, they look like round balls, so it washes away. Right. That's O-ring. That's good though. Oh, see the O-ring? Wait, get a picture.
Oh, I'm not an expert, but.
You're not an expert, that's pretty obvious though.
What's the problem?
Oh, I see the problem.
It shouldn't be right.
I think you're right.
Maybe 2.5 years?
No, hell no.
Okay, let it go. Let it rip.
Oh.
Oh.
How fast are you going?
45, 40.
Oh my goodness, the G-force. Oh my goodness. Look at it, this car is like.
I haven't had any for ages.
What the hell is it? Point to it. Oh, flashlights. Okay. Let's
And I called the number that's on the tank. They only do the tank. Whoever put this in buys the tanks. They put their own media in it, and they put a bypass valve on it and then sell it to you. Little opening, and it keeps on dripping out, running out, and it's running.
So we need another one of those.
Yeah.
Around